punishments. Can't seem to keep my eyes bulge, I got tissues in my pockets. I'm sensitive, probably what I thought when I thought was it. Been through some shit, with my heart on my sleeve, though it's hard to miss. Tell me that you keep me safe and never let this fade away. I'm hiding out so they don't see this part of me. Girls like me don't cry, 'cause I need to tell me don't cry. Girls like me don't cry, 'cause I need to tell me don't cry. Tell me that you keep me safe and never let this fade away. Girls like me don't cry, 'cause I need to pretend that you don't cry. They say girl don't cry, try to keep my head up high. Smile like it's alright, but all I wanna do is hide. Don't wanna keep it so inside. Girls like me don't cry, 'cause I need to pretend we don't cry. Oh, we don't cry, baby. Girls like me don't cry, 'cause I need to pretend we don't cry. Tell me that you keep me safe and never let this fade away. Girls like me don't cry, 'cause I need to pretend that we don't cry. I hope it's romantic all my life, surrounded by couples all the time. I guess I should take it as a sign. I'm feeling lonely, we should find a lover that can help me. Now I'm crying in my room, so scared to pick up this, but still I wanted more, more, more. I give a second chance to Cupid, but now I'm feeling stupid. How the way it makes me feel, the love is unreal. Cupid is so dumb. I look for his arrows every day. I guess he got lost or flew away.